4 yoga practices in my daily spiritual life. Be blessed by the divine. This is Krish Murli Ishwar, and I am so happy to be back again with you or another video. There are 4 practices that I follow daily. Exercises, which I do first thing in the morning. I never miss it. As soon as I wake up, before I eat anything in the morning or even have a cup of tea, for instance, before the morning, I like to do my full set of yoga exercises. I follow Vethathiri Maharishi's simplified physical yoga exercises. They are of 7 different types, and in each there are 7 different postures. It takes approximately around 40-45 minutes for me to finish the entire set of exercises, followed by a deep relaxation technique which takes about 15 to 20 minutes. So in an hour, I finish my entire set of exercises. This is the secret of my energy. And I have been following this for the last about 30 plus years. I hardly have missed my exercises in a handful of days, I must say, in the last 30 plus years. So I never, therefore, miss it. Number 2 is my meditation. As soon as I wake up in the morning, I meditate on my bed itself for about 5 minutes or 10 minutes, depending upon my requirement of the body and the mind. Sometimes, of course, the nature's call makes you get out of the bed too soon, and therefore I end up meditating only for about 5 minutes in the morning. But that actually supercharges my day before I get out of bed. And then, after I finish my exercises, or sometimes even before that, I sit and do my morning meditation. Today, for instance, I did the Divine State, Irai Nilai, God Consciousness meditation. It is a wonderful meditation that keeps me peaceful. I otherwise prefer to do the 9 center meditation for about 5 to 6 days in a week, and 1 to 2 days I do Shanti meditation in the morning. In the evening, I prefer to do various other meditations. The Panchendriya meditation, Dhuriya meditation, the Divine State meditation, Dhuryatita meditation, or even the Nityananda meditation or Panjabhuta Navagraha meditation, and on Fridays I do Shanti meditation. So evening meditation is also done. This is the second practice that I have in my spiritual life daily. Third one is my Kaya Kalpa yoga practice. Kaya is body, Kalpa is immortality. Kaya Kalpa yoga, body immortality yoga, where there are 2 sets of practices. One is Ashwini Mudra and the other one is Ojo's breathing. Learn it systematically in a Sky Yoga Center. I learned it from Swamiji several years ago, and I have been practicing this. This particular Kayakalpa Yoga helps me to transmute my sexual energy into spiritual energy. And this increases my immunity power, reduces the risk of diseases, and keeps me young and energetic throughout the day. I do this in the morning along with my physical exercises, and I also have a set of Kayakalpa yoga postures to do in the evening, which I like to do before my dinner. I have my dinner around 6 o'clock or so I do my evening Kayakalpa yoga before my dinner. The 4th practice, which I like to practice every day, is introspection exercises. There are 5 sets of introspection exercises that our Swamiji has taught us. Analysis of thoughts, moralization of desires, neutralization of anger, eradication of worries, and who am I? I like to take a few minutes off every day, sit and choose a topic that is important for me. For instance, let us say, day after tomorrow, I have a speech on anger. I need to prepare for the speech. I sit and spend some time analyzing all those reasons why I got angry in the past and how I overcame that with the power of superimposition and introspection and meditation. And that helps me prepare myself better for my upcoming speech on Wednesday in the next couple of days. Likewise, I sit and analyze causes of some stress. Perhaps there is a genuine reasons for getting stress, but then a problem is different from worries. Problems are real. worries are imaginary. So I have certain practices that help me overcome my worries and remain worry-free, stress-free, and therefore disease-free. I do this practically every single day. I do not like to skip these 4 practices in my life. These 4 practices help me to remain calm and peaceful, irrespective of what happens outside of me. Do you follow any spiritual practices in your spiritual life every day? Please do share in the comments below. Thank you for being a great source of inspiration. If you want me to do any particular video on any topic, feel free to click on the Google form link in the description of the video here and enter your comment or give your feedback, or if you have any questions to ask me, feel free to enter your questions. I check this every now and then, and I try to make my next videos based on the inputs given by you. Perhaps my next video will be an answer to your question. Love you. Be blessed by the divine.